Back end hasn't been started, but we'll get to it. This side's welded on. All them little holes for 3/4 inch lights. Come around here. That's what the corner's gonna look like. And I got the front half done. Then you come over here and see what I get to deal with. Trim the garbage off in there, so I gotta square all them up, clean it up, put one on this side. It's sitting right on there. Them are for your straps. They go underneath the bottom. You can see 3/4 inch holes there. So we're getting it a little bit at a time.